today I'm gonna talk to you about the brushes you must have in your kit. I use many brushes to do my makeup, but for you I think you need a few of them. Some of them, the necessary brushes to have in your kit to have a very nice and flawless look. So let's begin to talk about it. The first brush I have in mind is my Wet n Wild. This is a kabuki brush with tough synthetic hair, with which brush I'm applying my foundation. I'm showing you the type of the brush you need. You can buy any brand you want. After that, as a brush, I'm using to continue my foundation applying my beauty blender. And also I think that this is very useful to apply your foundation to give a flawless result, and with that it goes, and this the little beauty blender with which I'm applying my under eye concealer. Then I'm gonna talk to you about this type of brush. This brush has two sides. This is also a kabuki brush with synthetic hair. From one side this is shorter, from the other this is longer, bigger. This I'm using to do my contouring from my eye till this triangle of my cheeks, and from the other side I'm applying my contouring, and also by the other side, which is smaller, I'm contouring my nose like this type and this type. And also this very useful brush, and I have to tell you as a tip, it is very useful and simple to have brushes that they have two sides. It's very easy for you to do your makeup look. After that, I'm having that type of brush. This is a little longer, but with matte hair, also synthetic hair, with which I'm applying my under eye powder to set up my eyes after concealer, and this is very useful for you. The other that I have is this type of brush by Eyebrow 11, which is a natural hair brush. I'm using and synthetic and natural hair brush. This is by natural hair brush and long, with which I'm applying my whole loose powder on all my face and my neck. The same type of brush I have by Eyebrow also to do my bronzer on my cheekbones, on my jawline, my forehead. Very useful, very nice, and very easy to apply your look, your makeup. And the same also, I use it by Eyebrow 11 to apply my blush on my cheekbones, a little on my nose. Very beautiful brushes. Then I'm going to go on with a little smaller than this by Eyebrow 105. With this brush, I'm applying my highlighter over my cheekbones, on my cupid's bow, on my nose, and on my temples. Also, this is a very useful and nice brush, and very easy for you to apply all your highlighter. These are the brushes, the big brushes that I am using to apply my makeup on my big surface of my face. Now I'm going to show you some of the small brushes for your eyeshadows. These are the basic brushes. I told you that I, as a makeup artist, I'm always using more of them, but for a nice, flawless and easy makeup, especially for you that you are a beginner, these are the most useful. For the first, I have this type of brush, fluffy brush, also by Eyebrow natural hair, with which I'm applying all my shadow, all my crease, and also I can apply, if you use one shadow and all the same shadow on all my eye. This is one type. The other type is that it is a little smaller, with which by Eyebrow also 103, I'm taking the shadows, the darker shadows that I apply on my eye on the outer corner. Or again, with this brush also you can apply underneath your brow, your highlighter on, or your inner corner. It has 2 or 3 choices for it. The other that I'm using is that, a little flat, but with much natural hair, with which I'm applying on all my lid any shadow you want. And the last, for your eyes, is by Tommy Needs this flat brush. This is a classic blending brush with which I'm blending all the shadows together on my eye. Also, with these 2 brushes, you can apply all the shadows you applied on your above eye, on your under eye, of course. So, my friends, these are the most basic brushes that a beginner or a simple person can use to have a very nice and flawless effect. I hope you like that video. If you like that video and you think it's helpful for you, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. These are my recommendations for brushes for you beginners, and ring the notification bell and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned to see the new videos I'm gonna upload. Thank you very much, my friends, for your watching, for your help, for your support this last month on my new channel, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you and bye!